transform your life.
All right. So we were successful on our LoopX buy. We did get $400 set to our account for a total of 571 LoopX. The order is in progress, so we're going to try to walk you through here. So maybe if we make any mistakes, you guys see what not to do. But hopefully everything will be nice and smooth. So alright, so we'll just give it some more time. Things are running super slow on all networks. I know we sent funds to Capital Exchange and that's taking forever to get there as well. So if you guys are going to participate in that ICO, which we think is fantastic, go ahead and send those funds for the this evening launch. For your LoopX, if you were successful, you should be able to now log back in and see that you have this back here, your order amount, the date and time, the amount of LPX that you got, and again, you do have 24 hours to send those funds to LoopX to receive your purchase amount. Otherwise, you will forfeit your purchase. So hopefully you guys were successful as well. All the best. Bitcoin Networker out.